What up YouTube? We're back, another video, man. I'm excited to unbox this shoe right here. Before we get to this sneaker though, I want to talk about a few sneakers that I think you guys should definitely pick up if you guys are wanting them. I think these shoes are pretty low in the market right now, and I think it's a good time for you guys to pick these up, and I don't want you guys to miss out. First off, you know, I want to say thank you to everybody, man. If you guys want, show some love and hit the like button. The like button means so much to me. It means everything actually. It helps my channel grow. I have no social media, so I can't help my channel grow. Hitting the subscribe button as well. If you guys do enjoy my channel, if you guys like me as a person, whatever it is that attracts you guys to my channel, hey man, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. If you don't subscribe, it's fine, no hard feelings whatsoever. These three shoes right here, man, are sneakers that I believe you guys should get. One of them is, of course, the very sought after LeBron 8 South Beach or preheat. This is a very amazing sneaker. I picked these up on the sneakers app. I didn't even review them because I felt like YouTube was flooded with reviews on these, and so many people did a great job reviewing these shoes here, so I just didn't think that I really needed to talk about these. Next one is these Air Force One Undefeated collab. I think if you want something exclusive, a good conversation piece, this right here would be a good conversation piece. I thought this was one that I really needed to pick up. This one here though, I believe is definitely going to go up, so I think that you guys should definitely pick these up now because I want to help you out so you don't end up having to pay like 400 bucks later on. This is the off-white Chucks that they restocked or whatever not too long ago. I already laced them up how I want to lace them. Super cool shoe, man. You know, if you guys don't own any Chucks, do go a half size down. Let's get into this sneaker here, man. This shoe is a fine piece of art, and it should be because it was created by an artist. Let's open these up, man. It's got that very nice colorful box. Nike SB Dunk Low Pro Quick Strike. This was a Quick Strike Fireberry Black. Price is only $110. $110 nowadays, dude. That's like hitting a scratch off. That's like winning the lotto, a little mini lotto. Let's open them up, man. Let's check these things out. Let's see what they look like, and then let's throw them off feet. Got you that nice paper, and here they are, man. Straight from Nike, bro. Move that aside. Let's get this one here with the extra laces in it, and the extra laces will be tied onto your shoelaces or your shoestrings like they've been doing. Wow, very colorful, very nice sneaker. These are the abstract. It's the abstract colorway. And it's just beautiful, dude. It's very, very, very beautiful. Parra Dunk, man. Parra Dunks, bro. Nike SB Dunk Low Pro Parras, or abstract, whatever you want to call them. This is a top layer throughout the mudguard and the eyelets, as well as the heel. You could skate in it, and you could take this off naturally, or you could just cut through it, and you guys will unveil another colorway underneath it. I have seen people do it, and it looks pretty dope. I don't know, I think I'm gonna put my extra laces on these and rock them with the extra laces. I'll probably do the on-fit with the white laces. Gum rubber outsole, perfect for some nice grip on the skateboard. The toe cap materials are all right. They ain't the best of the best, but for $110, bro, it's as good as it gets for that price point, guys. Just a solid shoe, bro. Oh, let me take out the insole. Let me show you guys the insole before we get out of here, and before we do this on feet. Insole's gonna look pretty dope too. The tongue is in the same kind of a nubuck material throughout the tongue. All right, guys, you're gonna get some nubuck material, so it does feel a little bit different. It still is padded. Let me get these insoles out for you guys so you guys could check those out. Wow, we got some glue on the bottom, but there you guys see the insole right there. Beautiful, colorful insole, man. Just a beautiful, shout out to Parra, man. Shout out to the artwork, and you know, these were made for the Olympics. It was a collaboration, you know, for the Tokyo Olympics that took place. Just an amazing shoe, man. Thank you, Sneakers app. Appreciate you guys. Nike Dunk Parra Lows, SBs, abstract. Let me know in the comment section if you guys hit on these. Let me know in the comment section if you guys are gonna go after these on the resale market. Also, just note that there is gonna be some glue stains. I just seen some glue stains right here. I'm not a big picky guy when it comes to like glue stains. I'm not super picky, so I really don't look out for that stuff. But if you're a person that's looking for glue stains and stuff, this does have a little bit of glue on it. But yeah, man, let's get on to the on feet, guys. Let me know what you guys think about these. Let me know if you guys hit. Let me know if you guys are gonna pick these things up. Let me know if you guys already skated in yours, or are you guys gonna take this top layer off, or are you guys gonna leave it as is? Beautiful shoe, glad to hit. Let's get on to the on feet. Make sure you guys hit that like button. I want to say thank you to all you guys for real, man. Saludos a todos. Let's get on to this on feet, man. Everybody take it easy. Your boy Jay, we out, man. Peace out, man, ladies. That was kind of weird, man. I was kind of hyped up, but I'll catch you on the next one, man. I apologize for the sloppy kickflip at the end, guys, but I haven't kickflipped in like since I was a kid, and yeah, this was maybe at least a good 20 attempts, and we got that much through. I would be a poser if I told you guys I knew how to skateboard. Please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I'm out. I'm so dead.